For me, nobody epitomises the Welsh folk poet tradition better than Richard Davies, or Isgarn, who was born in 1887 and spent his life as an isolated farmer here in the hills surrounding Tregaron. If I think of the word culture in agriculture, I often think of him. Here was someone with dirt under their fingernails, someone who was very much acquainted with the challenges of eking a living from their immediate environment. And yet someone who used that experience to water the garden of their own creativity. He used to walk 4 miles every week to attend Cynhanedd class in Tregaron just to improve his skill as a poet. And the body of work he left behind, Caneuadau Isgarn, or the songs or the poems of Isgarn, is very much rooted in this place and in the old way of life. His poem, a Medelwr, translates as something like the reaper man, and documents the mechanisation of the harvest, with large communal groups of people suddenly made redundant by the latest innovations, the reaper binder, etc. In the poem, the land itself is pining for the soft plod of their feet, with the sickle, now redundant, rusting on the wall. Now, of course, mechanisation has its advantages, but this caused mass unemployment at the time and really tested the social fabric. And like with many innovations, it's only later on that the implications are really truly felt, and by which point it's often too late to turn the clock back.